do I put my commas? Who can help me? Araceli, come on up and put in the first comma for me. You can use whatever color you want. Just don't use blue. Where are you going to put the first comma? Ooh, okay, that might be the right place for a comma. But where do you start to make sure that you get the whole number in? You're always, who can help her? Stay right here. Who can help her figure out where we need to start? Christian, where do we, no, you stay there. You tell Araceli.
I need a one.
Oh, you start from the ones. Okay, but where are we going to put the comma? You start from the ones, but the first comma, is the first comma going to go right at the one?
No.
Okay, put it. You want to erase that one? Okay. Okay, now how did you know to put it there? You start with the ones, but how did you know that particular place? I could have started with the ones and put it there. That's a 0. Okay, so I like that. You're putting them in groups of 3. Does that have something to do with where the commas go? Thank you, Araceli. Does that have something to do with it, Elizabeth? Boys and girls, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I need everyone's attention listening to Elizabeth. No one should be writing or erasing or talking right now. We're listening to Elizabeth explain to us why Araceli put her first comma there.
Yes, because each time you're going to put a comma, you have to count 3.
Go ahead, we're listening.
And then you put the comma there, and then keep on counting 3, and you put the comma.
Okay, so every 3 digits, we're going to put a comma. Elizabeth, come on up and finish the number for us. Show us where the other commas go.
No.
I think that looks right.
I think I have
What, Joandy? What else did you think?
I put one more comma.
Where would you put another comma?
In front of the 3.
Oh, interesting.
That's weird.
Do we need a comma there? I see why you did it, because it was every 3.
Yes.
Do we?
No.
Who thinks we do need a comma there? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Who thinks we don't need a comma there? Okay, Nick, tell me why you don't think we need a comma there.
I think we don't need a comma there. I think we don't need a comma there because you put a comma every 3 digits.
Okay.
And when you put a comma every 3 digits, like it's in the same group, like there's millions, and then you put a comma to separate it in between the thousands.
I like that. I like how you're thinking. But this would separate the millions. But you're right, we don't need a comma there. So why would that be? Ivan.
Because we're going to put it in wherever there's a digit, and then billions, place value, there's a digit.
Excellent. So there's no digit after that. So we don't need to group those. If there was another digit here, you would be absolutely right, Joandy. If this were a 4, then we definitely would need that comma. So Nick, you said something really interesting to me. The commas group the kinds of units that go together. So what I'm going to ask you all to do is, if you don't have this number written on your personal whiteboard, please write it now. If you do have it there, just hang on and let us get caught up. And then we're going to talk about how we're going to name this number, how we're going to say this number's name. So everyone please write this number on your personal whiteboards with the commas. You can copy it from exactly what's on the board. Now I want you, I'm going to give you 10 more seconds to do it.